Windows 11 is the latest major release of Microsoft's operating system, designed to bring users closer to what they love. It offers a simplified design and user experience, empowering productivity and inspiring creativity. Key features. New Start layout. The centered Start button uses the cloud and Microsoft 365 to show recent files, regardless of the platform or device used previously. Snap layouts, snap groups, and desktops. These features enable users to organize windows, optimize screen real estate, and create separate desktops for different parts of their life. Chat from Microsoft Teams, integrated into the taskbar, allowing users to instantly connect with personal contacts via text, chat, voice, or video. Widgets, a personalized feed powered by AI and Microsoft Edge, providing a curated view of news, weather, or notifications. Microsoft Store overhaul, a rebuilt store with a new design, offering a safe location for apps and content. Android apps. Users can discover Android apps in the Microsoft Store and download them via the Amazon App Store. Security and performance. Hypervisor protected code integrity, enhanced security feature to protect against threats. Improved performance, optimized for speed and efficiency, with improved touch, inking, and voice capabilities. Updates and versions. Version 2.1H2, the original version of Windows 11, released in October 2021. Version 2.2H2, the first major update, released in September 2022, with new features like Windows Studio effects and improved File Explorer functionality. Version 2.3H2, the latest major update, released in September 2023, with features like Windows Copilot, File Explorer enhancements, and RGB peripheral customization.